Setting a lock screen password helps protect your privacy, but forgetting it can be a real headache. If you're using an Android phone and happen to forget your lock screen password, PIN, or pattern, then don't miss this video. Is there really a way to unlock your Android phone without entering password? The answer is yes. In this video, I'll walk you through the 3 best methods to unlock an Android phone without a password in 2026. This method works if your Android phone has Google Find My Device enabled. Even if you don't know your lock screen password, you can still unlock your phone using this method. All you need is a computer or another device. Open your browser and go to this website. Then log in with your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see all the devices linked to your account. Select the device you want to unlock and you'll see the Factory Reset Device option. This will completely reset your phone, erasing all data, including the lock screen password. Tap Next and follow the prompts to confirm the erase. Your phone will factory reset and restart, which may take a few minutes. Once done, you'll be able to get full access of your phone. This method is for when your Android phone doesn't have Google Find My Device enabled. Don't worry, this manual factory reset method can still help. First, press and hold the volume down and power buttons together until your phone powers off. Then, press and hold the volume up and power buttons together until the brand logo appears on the screen. This means your Android phone has entered recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to scroll down and select Wipe Data or Factory Reset by pressing the power button. Once confirmed, the process will take a few minutes and then your phone will restart. After setup, if you see a Verify Password prompt, select Use My Google account instead to complete verification. If you tried method 2, after the phone restarts, find yourself stuck at the Verify Password step because you've forgotten your Google account credentials. Don't worry, I've got another method that lets you bypass the Google account verification smoothly. This method requires a professional Android unlocking tool called iMobie DroidKit, which supports Android 6.0 to the latest version. Just click the link below the video to download iMobie DroidKit. Once installed, connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable. Then open the tool and select the FRP bypass feature. Choose your phone model, click Start, and the unlocking process will begin. Just wait a few minutes patiently, the process will complete. Congratulations! You can now use your phone normally. Okay, those are the 3 best ways to unlock your Android phone without a password. You can choose the method that best fits your situation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. What topic would you like to see in the next video? Let me know in the comments below.